So it's already a movie in Enugu as we speak right now. There's a lot of activities going on there as Mr. Ibu final burial is being conducted. And His Excellency H.E. Peter Obi just touched down Enugu to pay the last respect to the legend. Like I said in my earlier video, Mr. Ibu was one of the most funny actors, I'll say comic actors we had in Nigeria. You know, the next video I'll be doing here is a video of those of his friends that they work together in this industry and give us the best of its kind when it comes to Nollywood. The names are too many to mention here, so stay tuned for that video. But trust me, this burial, a lot of legendary actors and actresses are fully in Enugu paying their last respect to Mr. Ibu. Even H.E. Peter Obi was there. Now, this highlight is coming straight up from Enugu. Enjoy the videos here, especially that of H.E. Peter Obi. And some of the clips here, we do not have rights to them. They are credited to Foot TV here on YouTube. So, enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe. And please drop a comment. Drop your condolence message in the comment below.
The presidential candidate of Labour Party in the year 2023, His Excellency Peter Obi just arrived at Mr. Ibu's final burial. We are live in Enugu, local government in Enugu State. That's Mr. Peter Obi with Mr. Ibu's son and daughter. These are the daughter and the children of Mr. Ibu, which Stella Maris gave birth to.
I'm so mad.
Sorry.
Man, they wash up. You don't see him. I want to bless your life and it. Our president. Daddy, the man we want. Daddy. Yes, sister. Thank you. Obi the man of beauty. The man of the people. Man of the people. Obi is there. Our president. I'm with Peter Obi. I am with Peter Obi. Our president. I'm with Peter Obi. Peter Obi live on the road. Who the second? Peter Obi direct. I am with Peter Obi, the man of the people. Man of the people. No, these are legends. Man of the people. Peter Obi. I am with Peter Obi. This is the show. I am with Peter Obi. Who the second? Who the second? Daddy, this is my father. This is my father. Oh, this is my father. Oh, this is my father. I mean, they talk about this is my father. Oh, this is my father. Peter, this is my father. Peter, this is my father. Life and death. Peter, this is my father. Daddy, 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 I give it to her. Move, Daddy, move, I know you. Come on, follow. Come on, follow me. Who the second? The man of the people. Let's move.
Thank you for joining this live broadcast. We're live at Mr. Ibu's final burial, and his body just arrived in Eziokwe, his hometown in Enugu State.
Can I talk to you? See the wife now. So everybody should remain here. In the next 5 minutes we are coming back. You understand? Because
Alright, right now we are moving to his house. We are moving to Mr. Ibu's house. This is where Mr. Ibu's body is lying. And any moment from now, the ambulance is moving straight to his house, to his compound where he will be buried. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to share. This is Foods TV Live at Mr. Ibu's final burial. Look at this boy again.
So, I am rounding this one here up. This is, you saw all the clips. You saw how Peter Obi did everything. He was fully welcome. You could see how they were screaming his name. people were surprised to even see that he was there. The last clip you watched, that guy was going so crazy, but it was beautiful to see that, yes, he came out to pay homage to the family of Mr. Ibu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.